Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of data on the application of iQIYI app. You will click on settings. Here on this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about iQIYI app and you can click. Here on this page of app info you will click on first stop. Then you will click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again.